Hey guys, I have this Kmise baritone ukulele, which I may have shown you a bit ago. It comes with gCEA strings, but I tuned it DGBE. So here is the same example tuned up to gCEA. So you can hear it here. You can see it's much brighter, and I should say the strings are a lot tighter, a lot firmer than they were when they were DGBE. So for comparison, I'll play some of the same things I played before so you can see how they sound here, gCEA. So there's a comparison. Again, the original way I had it tuned with the same strings was DGBE. I tuned it up with the gCEA strings. Again, re-entrant or high G. Personally, I think I like for this one, I prefer the DGBE tuning, and I prefer the string tension. These gCEA strings are just really, really tense at this scale. My guess is the same strings they use on a tenor and a concert. I think they're just really, really taut here. But if you're looking for a baritone ukulele with gCEA strings, this is one to consider. Thanks for watching.